Start stream. Hello, welcome back. I just will do. Okay, I have the chat here. Very cool. Okay, so I updated the GitHub. So I updated the GitHub and um, I made some small changes. Uh, I updated the code offline and I made some fix, some fix, made some fixes for some of the bugs. Let me see if I can show you. Okay. Okay, very good. So I just added basically 12 lines and I removed some of the lines. So the ones that I removed, the major ones are two functions, fake move, and the other one that were what was the other one? A revert fake move. They're not good anymore, so I just removed them, not used. And then I changed some of the bugs here. So for example, here turn should change before updating possible moves, and then when I'm calculating the result, when I'm checking the result, I was using the possible moves at length, but now I'm checking the max possible moves, which is the number of moves actually one can make. And there are a bunch of other things that I've made a mistake here. For example, I was checking like considered piece, it should be piece, not the target piece. Target piece is the one that is getting removed when I was considering possible moves. And yeah, that's it. There is a bunch of other, like I forgot some parentheses here and there. Very small changes, but now the code works and it's cool. I mean, I think there should be still some bugs here and there. Okay, let's run this and then you will see. So let me see if you see the board. By the way, I didn't even check in the. Yeah. Now, if I go E4, for example, I can also see the number of possible moves here I'm printing. I have to add some logs from time to time. It's good to have logs uh, in the project, and yeah, that would be cool. Um, so we can go on, and it's okay. It's cool. So you can see that the red ones are the ones that black can attack. The blue squares are the ones that white can attack. Almost blue, I guess. The almost purple ones, like these ones, are the ones that are attacked by both sides. And it's black to play, I guess. And I can go on for some time, I guess. But Well, you can see that it's almost working. There are definitely many things that I can do to make it. First, there are some. Um, I'm assuming that not everything is correct. Like, I think the logic is good. It's just that there might be some very few mistakes here and there to make it more polished, and the bugs that can get fixed and stuff. Um, so we have the draw stuff also, like if there's no piece left, like two kings only. So I did the calculation. I think it was last night. I think I didn't check it, but I'm assuming it's gonna work because the mate works. So here I do if there is no possible move to make, and if the black king actually I should change this, by the way. Yeah, this might not work. Yeah, black attack map. Maybe not. Maybe it's an interesting thing. I can use the other algorithm. Because I have a function here that checks if some square is being attacked, like is move safe here, and I could use a similar algorithm like this. But anyway, um, it seems okay for now. And then um, yeah, it's generally okay. So the algorithm kind of works. There is a bunch of stuff that I I mean, I could change, like I could add timer, I could add like the names and stuff, I could add a lot of other stuff, but it's not the project that I really enjoy doing. Like I don't know how to say, it's like I enjoy doing it up to now, but after this, I don't know if it's gonna help. I like it to keep it a small project. That way the code is like available for everyone and they can just use it. The only thing that we should add, and I'm going to try to add it now, is of course the promotion of the pawn. And then, yeah, that's like, okay, play here. So let me show you some, okay, some checkmate. So it says checkmate, white wins, and then it ends the whole board life stuff. So it's okay, it's cool. It's a number of possible moves also. You can see that it was 0 moves to make. To check this really correctly, I think there are some possible ways to do it. I believe there are some stockfish stuff you can use of test if you're but it was for AI, no? It was game engine. No, maybe I'm making a mistake. I don't know, but I could think that there are some ways that you can just test if this is good or not. But yeah, for now I'm happy with this. Okay, now let me try to do the promotion. Um, Here, when I'm checking the pawn moves, check pawn moves here. There is one move, there is two move, there is take left, right, and then I have to add promotion. So, what do I have here? I have the move one. It's actually practically just move one, right? But then there is a promotion there with this move. So here I'm checking if this is equal to break. Okay, I just need to check. I think I need to check here when I'm making the move piece. Here, move piece. Okay. Here. Here. Okay. Maybe I should do the pawn moves still together so that everything looks good. If piece is equal to black pawn, and from dot y to dot y to dot y is equal to 0, or piece equal to white pawn and 2 dot y is 7. Okay, so here we have to do promotion. Here we have to promote the pawn to some piece. Now, so here we have to first show promotion dialog, and get some response somewhere. Get promotion option from player and then yeah, replace the pawn with the selected piece. Very simple, I guess. So okay, for promotion dialog, that's the thing that, okay, so I have the texture. I can try to use, okay, I have to do drawing in the center of the board, some kind of a square. Are you doing these comments for for the autocomplete? No. Hi, welcome. On the hunter. No, I am just for myself to remember what are the steps that I have to do. Like, it helps me to organize the steps. So first I have to find a way to show the promotion. Um, so FN show promotion dialog. See, yes. I want to do something. For now, it's a void. Here in this, I don't like to pass allocator all the time, so I'll add here allocator. Maybe that's named that allocator. Very cool. And then in init function, init here allocator, and then in the init function, I don't want the allocator to be passed anymore, because I will just use c.allocator, c.allocator. In the run also, I don't want that, so here also check mouse. Here I don't want to pass this. So move this, move this, and then Okay. Okay, that should be okay. Set board, okay, here. Allocator. Okay, very good. Okay. Cool. Now, what were we doing? Show promotion dialog. I will just say this is the okay, let me just check if I didn't produce any error. Game.run allocator here. The run doesn't need allocator anymore. Also the init. Okay, very good, it works. Now, what I need is to draw something in the middle of the board. So I will define const mid x as screen width divided by 2, const mid y, screen height divided by 2. I will consider, so we have 4 pieces to show: knight, bishop, rook, and queen. I will say if we have like, I don't know, like 4 pixel in between all of these options, I will just say const was it spacing, spacing. I will put it equal to 4. I32, or yeah, I'm gonna put it I32 for now. And then okay, I think that should be okay now. Let's do drawing. Do we do the drawing? Okay, it there is a draw rectangle. I need to do a draw rectangle, and then yeah, let's do this. There is a draw rectangle, and draw board here. Okay, for there is a draw rectangle line I need. Okay, how do you do this? You do source rectangle, and then do all of that. Oh, actually, I can just copy and yeah, that one should be okay. The promotion dialog. Okay, very good. So first thing is, where is the X and Y for this? I have to do some calculation. If this is the middle of the board, I want it to, so the X would be mid X minus 2 times 60. Sorry, C dot picture size. What did I call this thing? Don't remember. Piece size. What did I call this thing? Piece size. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's like 2 times piece size. Shouldn't be completely white, but I like it to be whitish gray for now. And then how many spacing should I consider? 2.5, I guess. There is 1, 2, 3, 2.5, yeah. Okay, and then this should be minus, okay, 2.5 spacing is like, so I have to make this F32, and then here int code 2.5 times spacing as F32. Okay, here piece size is, I think I need half of piece size. Yeah, okay, 1 spacing and half of piece size. How do we do? A piece size is, I don't remember is it I32 with the definition? No, it's F32, so it's okay. And this one is green height. Oop. Okay. What's the screen size and width? I don't store it. Screen width. Screen. Okay. Ooh, okay, I see. So I will just take it this size times 4. Yeah, okay. I mean, for now it should be okay. This size times 4. This size times 4. Okay, very good. So x should be just 2 times this size, and y should be also 2 times this size. No, y should be 3 times this size. Okay, with some spacing that I can just take it out by hand, which is like 10. Okay, I will just change them later. So we have x and y for rectangle. It should be integers, I believe, here. Um, I32, I32, int from float, int from float. Very good. Okay. And that's the color. Now I want a loop for 0 to 4, 0 to 4, and then I want some index I. Very good. So the first thing is that good. Okay. I need to draw a rectangle. And then X and Y location with the size of 4 times this size plus 5 times spacing. That's the width, and the length is piece size. And then here I will put 2 times spacing. Very good. Now here I want the x plus I times int from float piece size as I32. Okay, y doesn't change, it's x. Some color, draw rectangle lines. Lines. And from float and from float. Okay, we first draw rectangle lines, and in this position I start x. Ooh, okay. So x start y. That's like F32. Okay, and then 32. So that's F32, I guess, at the end. But there is no need for this besides F32. Okay, and then so x size F32, we don't have this. Okay, this one needs to change. Load float from int as f32. Okay. That's xy. This one is int from float. This is also int from float. Okay. The color should be black. And then we have a destination rectangle. We need a source rectangle. So destination rectangle is xi, y. Piece size, this is piece size. And then I need to define src. And then src doesn't have that. Okay. Angle const position is just 4 f32 was x. And there's a pose y. Okay, now pose y is just, it depends on white or black. So I'm gonna go here in the assets, pieces. So night is the first one, and 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the knight. Bishop is 4. Rook is 2, and queen is 0. That's our pose x. And then here in src, so the x would be pose xi times piece size, and y would be if c dot turn it shouldn't be turn because we changed the turn there. So this should be if cturn 0, else piece size. Okay, now what? And then we draw the texture over this. Okay. So the problem is that this dialog, when shown, so this should draw the dialog, but color boolean or is white. And here I'm gonna put, instead of cturn, is white. Very good. But this shouldn't be called from here. Here we just should share, we should just say promotion c dot promotion that equal to if c dot turn okay. Now I go to here, I will put a function. I would put a field here, promotion that is a struct. It could be none, white, black. And in the beginning is just none. Very good. Now in the move piece check, in the check mouse, okay, here. Okay. Turn. In the draw board, where is the draw stuff here? Okay. Here is the draw board. And then I go here, I draw stuff. Um, I draw the board here. I do here. Draw the board, and then I go through pieces. Here, there should be show promotion dialog. Okay, this is C that show promotion dialog. I will give start X, start Y, and then is white. It's okay. If okay, if it's not none, show it. Okay, const is white. So is this white? Then it's yeah. Okay. And draw pieces. B this draw pieces. Draw empty board. Start X and start Y. And draw empty board. These are F32, right? Go to Pro Board. Yeah, they are F32. Okay. Okay, it's much easier now. The functions are smaller, easier to read. Um, I can make the move piece also smaller because it's not too big, but anyway, for now let's keep it simple. Okay. Okay. Play. Why not? Do check cancel from her to file dot her to please please so here I'll just say see that check canceling is from and to is here I will put the en passant and promotion on. And then check on those from and of course the check complete complete king move. Complete king move. Okay, very good. This means that move piece is much more smaller and this thing is easier to read also for me as well. Okay, here I can just put if piece is not white king or black king and black king return, else here I will put const j view size if it is white king 7, right? So for white king this is 7, for black king this is 0. Station, this is okay. And then at the end if white king location else okay. Okay, the rest is exactly the same. Oops, sorry. So this one removed and this one removed. Okay, it's smaller and easier to handle. This is a rook move away. This is not a check, canceling, right from to. Here I will put Fn, check, canceling, right, C, yes, void. Okay, just to check if this is correct, I will paste this one. 0777 short long short white long black 7 sorry 0070 black 07770 white short white long black black. Okay, same thing, it's just formats who are changing. Okay, very cool. Final I move Fn finalize move C, and then this is chess void. Okay, okay, very good. So now promotion is shown in check mouse. Where is the check mouse? Here. I have to check if the clicked position is in the area of the promotion board, whatever it is. Which means I have to save promotion for location. Here is the state and promotion. Dialog location. And then in the show promotion dialog here, I put it, okay, do the calculation here. Which is so this is X and this is Y. I'm gonna put it here, promotion dialog location, exactly this. Okay. Let's just first see if there is any error because I have lots of changes. So first, use of undeclared identifier C. Where is this? I think 380. Where is 380? Draw empty port. C chess draw empty port here. Okay. Has no member. None. Ooh, okay. It has promotion. That okay. There's no dots when I'm declaring things here. Right? And this is not a struct, this is enum. Okay, very good. Next, expected type F32 found use size. Set, oops. Set stored. Where is this? 267. Loads from int j. This as well. Yeah, okay, here as well. Loads from in. Go from in. Okay. No, sorry. So here is the same. In the function we sent by, okay, very good. Set board is where is it defined? Okay, here I make everything int again, right? Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this opposite. Oh no, because the other, I remember. In the other function I call it with a lot of F32. I would have to convert those values instead. So this should fix this one. Next one is okay. Set board pieces. Which one is it? Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. So complete move. This one has possibility of returning error. Complete king. Yeah, this one can also return error. I believe that's it. Complete king move, pawn move. The rest of them don't have any tries. So here, pawn move, try, king move, try. Okay, it's running. So let's see if the promotion thing is drawn. So how do I do it? Just here. And then I move the king. Here I move the king. Here I don't see any promotion board, but okay. It should be shown. So for black pawn, it should be at 7. White pawn. What happened? Okay. Where do I define this thing? The board. Promotion. So the logic is that to show this, let's set up board, draw pieces, draw empty board, draw board. board, it will see if the promotion state is not none. So which will happen when the promotion. Okay, and then it will show it. Or basically draw it. Show promotion. Show. And where do we check for promotion? It's in here for complete pawn moves. Here I check for promotion. If it's a black pawn, it needs to go to 7. If it's a white pawn, it needs to go to 0. Okay, do this again. So let's get there as fast as possible. Yeah, okay. Very good. So I have my promotion board. It's a little bit scuffed, but I mean I have to fix. I didn't add the spacing when I'm drawing the textures. And then I have to choose one, and then it should decide what to do. Right now it will move the other pieces. A little bit crazy. So, oh, by the way, was the color okay? I didn't even notice. No, the color is opposite, so this should be white. Why is this happening? This is white, right? If C dot turn, so the white pawn is in C dot Y 0. It's the white pawn. Is it because of the turn? I don't think it's this piece equal to white. It's not this. It's when I'm showing the dialogue. Show, no, draw, promotion dialog. Here I do. So here texture if is white is 0. I guess it's the opposite. Let's do this. You go here, and then you do here. Oh yeah, now white ones show. And for the black ones, I didn't see this. I didn't see this. I'm complete noob. Yeah. Cool. Um, it's okay. So for now, we have everything we want. I just need to fix the spacing and add some logic here for the promotion. So in here, I don't add the spacing. To add the spacing, so in destination, I add xi. Xi calculates only items piece size. And it should add also I plus 1 times spacing. And the spacing was 32. And for y destination, it should add spacing. So this should fix the location of each of them showing. And then now we can go to the logic. For the logic, I need to go to, yeah, this function here, right here. Okay, I get the mouse position. Now, if the dot promotion state is not none, handle that handle promotion mouse position. So actually, okay, I can do this check as well. And then do this. And instead of mouse position, I do okay. So that's the position on the board. Okay. Now I need to write a function handle promotion. See, let's get this and some position, which is just the mouse position, and it's rl dot vector 2. And then I will put void and here, which is pretty simple. What it does is I can just break it position because what it does, it calculates exactly the same thing. I guess, I mean, No, it has to. Okay, so here I have to consider the spacing and okay. How do I do this? Piece size. So position x divided by piece size. Okay. So here I don't exactly know how to treat this, honestly. Because there is a spacing and this throws me off a little bit. I cannot do a simple division here. I have to calculate a remainder. Okay, spacing is really small. I can say floor. Yeah, floor should be okay. And then I get and I don't need the y. Oops, I don't need y. I don't need the y version. Just okay. Just to have the x version, x thing. Okay, as long as so if position.x is in the board. Do I remember? Okay, so if it's bigger or equal to c dot promotion dialog location dot x and position dot x is less than c dot promotion dialog size less than or equal to I can just say or if this is less than that or if this is bigger than that. And yeah, here dialog location plus dialog size, that's x, return. If now position dot y is less than this dot y or position dot y is bigger than this plus this, return, okay. And then here I do, ooh, what is this? This comes from C. Um, state none, okay. And then Okay, so I have to go in the beginning when I define the struct here. I do here. I have to define promotion dialog size, and then I have to define promotion dialog spacing, which is what was the value I chose? 4. And this one also is a, there's the size and there's the location. Very good. In row promotion, yeah, here. So this is just C promotion there spacing. The location. At okay. Where is setup function? Set up. Setup here. Screen width. Okay. C dot promotion dialog location. First dialog size. Okay, spacing, I don't care, I put it already. Its size is equal to 4 times piece size plus 5 times C dot promotion dialog and Y is, this is piece size plus 2 times spacing. Okay, that's the size, and the location, promotion location, right? Promotion dialog location is okay. So that's, it's the board location. C dot board position. That's X. And then this one is C dot board position. That's one. Okay. Now that's the location. We can now go back to draw promotion dialog here. Promotion dialog location, we don't have to check that. This is just the promotion dialog location X, and that's the Y. Okay, very good. Y, and yeah, spacing is just that. Okay, very good. Now I can control everything with one variable. Okay, where were we? In handle promotion. Okay, here. So the first thing I want to do is to calculate where this mouse position is. Now, if position.y is okay, so I have to consider the spacing here. Plus, yes, and the spacing, size, minus c dot promotion and see what is the option. Promotion dialog spacing. Right, plus, and then here we add plus, we go minus. Okay, so this is not needed. Okay, okay, this is minus, so that's on top of the placement, and here is under it, right? Yeah, I have to do the same here. So minus location. This is plus now, as we are doing the left. And this one is size. Here I have to do, should I do minus here, or also doesn't matter? Yeah, I have to do minus here. Minus c dot promotion dialog spacing. And then here Here also needs some one spacing plus spacing, right? Why is it plus here? So when we go up, it's negative. Less than that. This is plus, of course. And this is minus. A little bit confusing for me. Okay. But this should be okay now. Now we have to calculate this division. Okay, and I will remove, and I have to remove not the location. Because the position is already, so let me see. So position is already board position. Board position, right? It's with respect to the board position. Position is mouse position subtract board position. So this is with respect to the board position. I have to bring it to the respect to, oh, I see. So this is board position, mouse position, board position, subtract no, okay. We cannot do subtraction twice. I do it once. Here it should be mouse position dot subtract c dot promotion dialect promotion. Okay, now this should be okay. And then here, not the location. I want the spacing. Okay, how many times? 3 times. Okay, and then I divide it by piece size and I get the floor. So spacing is really small with respect to piece size, so 3 times of 4 times 4 is like 12, divided by piece size is like 1/5 floor rates, and you're gonna get 0, right? No, I have to do rounded or seal. Um, or I don't have to even do spacing minus because it will be just a little bit extra and it's just okay. I don't have to do this. When that happens, we get that some integer here, x. It should be between 0, 1, 2, and 3. And we don't care about the y. Okay. And then we do switch is x, and I think switch works only for integers, not floating values, right? Int from float. Okay, now here you just have to say I32. Okay. If it's else, it's unreachable. And so, okay, now the tricky part. So the promotion needs to, we need promotion information, promotion location on the board. So I will call this c.promotion board location. I will put this 0. I will have them as usize. C.promotion board location 1. If it's 0, it's a night. If c.promotion state is white, it's the white W night, otherwise it's B night, right? Okay, 2, 4. Okay, this is 1. Oops, this is 1, 2, 3. This is white. Okay, this is bishop. This is rook. And these ones are queen. Okay. Reachable. And then promotion state is not. It's not exact. It's also calculating if we are choosing in between them. But I mean, I will fix that later. Like tomorrow, I will fix this in more details. Like, let's see how is this. First, if there's any error, if the locations are correct. Oh, okay. Promotion board location is not set. So this should be set in. Ooh, chess. Correct. This is. Oops. Promotion board location. It's an array of use size, which is equal to undefined. Okay. Now we set complete pawn moves. We set this in here. Flag and see that promotion location. See that promotion board location is equal to. So the first one is int from float of 2.x, and the second one int that float 2.y. That should be okay. Okay, I set it and okay. No field name location. I put it okay. Location promotion or location. Not the location, it's look. Okay. Expected I32 found. F32 draw rectangle needs I32. I gave 32 300 and 2 int from floats. Int from float y. I hope the other ones can be. Nope. No, they also need to be I32. Int from float. Okay. Use size F32. Yeah. So here, where is it? Here I have to say as F32. And what's the error? Should be one more parenthesis here. Oh. Okay. Ooh, okay. I don't know why I'm playing this. Ooh, okay. So the location is off, and oh, it's not off. It's because okay, I have to add port location to this. Where do I do port location? Where is the port location? It's in setup, right? Here, okay. Dialog location. It shouldn't be port position minus that plus that divided by 2. Location should be this one. It should be plus, right? Ah, okay. So this is plus screen width, and this is plus screen height. I'm not going to change the variable now. Okay, let's try this. Goes there. Complete noob. I don't know how to play. Ooh, okay, we have them. The spacing on top is a little bit off. I choose night. But nothing works, so nothing works. Okay, and yeah, we got to the unreachable because it was too far off. So in my calculation for promotion for this location for dialog location, I'm making a mistake. But I'm not gonna fix it now because it's a little bit late now and I'm getting tired. So adding promotion. Okay. So I expect this to finish tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be the last commit for in the morning, and in the afternoon I don't know what I'm gonna do. I thought that today was Monday and tomorrow is the Tuesday, and I'm gonna finish this project and just continue what I'm doing with the tiling thing, with the platform to the platform. But then, since I have one extra day, I guess, as I didn't think about it, I didn't remember. I can tomorrow fix the morning this thing, and in the afternoon I might try Bitboard. So I will just make this archive or something in GitHub and then start a new project, exactly chess, but this time I don't know, I might try a simple version of the Bitboard thing. So Bitboard, I don't know if you're not familiar with them. Bitboards are used for calculations for game engines and stuff. So I will not probably use the same thing. I will just do um, a simple version of that. Like some parts of it are gonna be the same, maybe, or at least look the same, but the rest are gonna look completely different. So I might do that tomorrow. But I will try to first fix the promotion. I might do it actually offline and just show what's the end result. And then, yeah, and then I will just try to do the Bitboard thing in 1.5 days. I will see how far I can go with it. I will try to finish that also if I, yeah. Mm, that's interesting. There's another thing that was also interesting. So there was one person who suggested we do 3D, but honestly, I don't have a 3D. I don't know how to do. Like, it will take a long time for me to do um, a 3D texture stuff for chess. I don't. I really don't know how to do it. Um, Now that I think about it, it's possible that I don't do that tomorrow or Tuesday, and I will try it maybe later on a different project, maybe a simple, I don't know, small project that I define later. Anyway, thank you for watching. It's late here. I don't know what's the time in the location you're watching this video or live. I hope you're doing fine. Take care, stay healthy, and don't forget to follow the channel and like the video if you haven't done it already. See you again. Bye bye.